Welcome back. We're still in youth care unit. This is your favorite show of the week, and we're discussing today. We are just talking on issues medical. And doctor, welcome back. I think one of our viewers asking a question. We want to know: do you maybe have laboratory services? Do you practice surgery?
Okay, we don't practice surgery and we don't have lab because most of the patients when they come to us, they have gone for so many lab tests and they have tried those things. They bring the lab reports to us. And another thing I want to say some that lab test, testing somebody's sputum, somebody's blood, somebody's X-ray scans, sometimes they don't show the real problem. Because you might have seen people go for these tests and they are told you don't have a problem. Test is normal, X-ray is normal, scan is normal. So if these things are normal, then where the problem is? Because there are a lot of problems in human body, still doctors do not know exactly what is the cause behind their problems. So taking medicines, when those medicines are not working, people feel tired. People feel they will live with their problems or they die with their problems. And like for example, allergies. Allergies, people are told that these cannot be cured. But we have treated allergies very successfully and people, they feel better. Allergies like maybe there are people, they're having asthma, they are having sneezing, they are having flu, running nose every now and then. And with the homeopathic treatment, when we treat those people, maybe somebody suffering from asthma, bronchitis, he can go in the cold weather, he can go in dusty place, and you will see his chest is not getting blocked. So homeopathy boosts the immunity of the person who was getting sick every now and then. After the immunity is boosted, he does not fall sick that frequently. So even allergies and so many conditions which are incurable can be treated with homeopathy, can be cured with homeopathy.
You have talked on asthma, and I would like to ask doctor, on conventional medicine, they say asthma is like a lifetime treatment thing, they will treat you for the rest of your life. What about homeopathic?
So, the problem is here. You are talking on behalf of, the knowledge you have is about conventional medical system.
Yeah.
But I'm sure if you would have seen the people we have treated and we have cured those ones with allergies, with asthma, you will be surprised. There are people, they have difficulty in breathing.
Yeah.
Very little work they do, even if they walk little distance, they start getting tired. Their heart starts beating fast. But after homeopathic medicine, these people, they become stronger and they can, one of the pandam lima, without feeling tired. And these medicines really, they work on those asthmatic conditions. And I want to tell those people who have, who think that their condition is incurable, they should come to our to our clinic and talk about their condition. Then they decide for the medicine, if they want medicine or they don't want. But they should not give up. They should come and talk to us so that they can know if there is any medicine for their condition. Yeah, so they should not give up.
So what's the duration, maybe if I can ask of on treatment?
There is no doctor who can predict. Like older age or younger age, somebody's how deep-seated problem is, how chronic problem is. There are so many factors behind those those things that how fast somebody will heal. So I don't want to predict anything, and there is no doctor who can predict anything. You might have seen somebody will tell you, take this medicine for 1 week, utapona. Lakini, it does not happen.
Yeah.
So prediction, I don't think we can predict about. Maybe somebody can heal faster than the other patient. So there are no hard and fast fixed, I mean, or a fixed period somebody will take the medicine. Somebody can heal faster, others can take longer time as well. So it's not about how long somebody will take. Yeah.
So maybe I can ask Doctor, this is also a very sensitive issue, especially when we talk, maybe I talk on side of our young people, and that is called drug abuse. How do you deal with it?
I tell you, some drug addiction, drug abuse, it's really very serious problem nowadays.
Yeah.
And Nakada is working hard on it. But one part is missing there. That is homeopathic medical treatment. You know, people, they go to rehabilitation centers 3 months, 6 months. When they come out of rehabilitation centers, you might have seen there is big number of relapse cases. Means people, they take those treatments in rehabilitation centers, and they join drugs again when they come out of rehabilitation.
Yeah.
So we have the medicine for alcohol addiction. Wale wanapenda kukunywa changa, kuvuta bangi, eating mira, taking other drugs as well. So with homeopathy, we treat somebody's craving reduces. If somebody has got withdrawal symptoms, like maybe trembling hands, maybe somebody emotionally imbalanced, shouting, screaming, somebody is irritable, getting angry for no reason, crying at small things. We treat their conditions so they become okay after that. And I believe for drug abuse, for conditions like somebody who has been trying to stop taking alcohol, with homeopathic medicine, these patients have stopped taking alcohol. People who have been smoking cigarettes, a whole packet or more than one packet in a day, we have treated very easily. And they stopped smoking cigarettes as well. Yeah.
Immediately or?
Oh, not immediately, because we don't have a magic stick. You know, medical treatment is a process.
It takes time, yeah.
It's a process.
Yeah.
But homeopathy works much faster in stopping the craving of somebody's drug addiction. Maybe it can be alcohol, it can be smoking cigarette, or any other drugs as well. And it can work
Are there
very successfully.
Are there medicines that maybe we can give to somebody who maybe is not yet addicted, but he is maybe almost? Are there maybe medicine that can prevent?
Why somebody has to take the medicine when somebody is not suffering?
Because they say prevention is better than cure.
No, that is another fear now. That fear, I will indulge into this thing. We should not have fear. If somebody is not involved, or somebody who has not been taking these drugs, he should not be worried. You know, why taking medicines? I don't think somebody should take medicine before he is sick. Preventive medicines, I don't think. You know, somebody who is in his sober mind, that alcohol is not that good, or maybe smoking cigarette can cause cancer. Why, or maybe chewing tobacco can cause cancer. When there are people, they don't even touch these things. They don't take these things. So we should not worry about those who are not taking, but the ones who are taking these substances, it can be alcohol changa, or it can be even lot of beers, or maybe even heroin, cocaine, and all sort of substances. There are different medicines for different conditions. So I believe somebody who are addicts, they should definitely try homeopathy, so that the way they are feeling that addiction cannot be treated, cannot be cured, it is curable condition, and it is a medical condition. It is a medical condition. They need medicine, then they feel okay.
I think I will ask how.
And there are there are different reasons behind taking why somebody is taking alcohol. Okay.
Why you may take mira, why you,
somebody taking alcohol maybe just to have fun, or somebody is taking mira because he is depressed. Oh, sorry, taking alcohol because he is depressed. So there are medicines. We cure his depression. He will stop even the other side. I mean, taking alcohol. So we have to work on what is the reason behind those conditions, the root cause.
And how, if I can ask, how do you know what the root cause?
Oh, patients always tell. The addicts always tell, or maybe the family members they tell that he started taking alcohol maybe after something, some trauma, something happened in life, and then they started taking. Or he started in student, I mean, while he was in school or college, and now he cannot quit. Peer pressure. And we have medicines for peer pressure. You know why somebody has to follow? If one is doing wrong things, why you have to do wrong things? That means your willpower is not strong enough, and you are just following him. That's not good.
So you give medicine that increase your
willpower.
Your willpower.
Willpower as well. Yeah. So the medicines are there, and they do work.
I think now I can ask the question that I wanted to ask. That doctor, you know, when you talk of drug and drug abuse, it is a very sensitive issue in Kenya. So my question was, is there any way that this information maybe can get maybe to Nakada, or maybe to rehab owners, maybe to churches, and maybe you can try to tell them that this thing is curable?
You know, some people are scared of losing their business maybe. If I can say what is our success rate in treating alcohol and drug abuse, it's very high, and we are very satisfied. And I believe people should try homeopathy. We are trying working with Nakada as well. And you know, there are always policies, guidelines, government policies, and a lot of stuff like that. In Kenya, our conventional system is not putting alternative medical system. There are some reasons behind it. I don't want to talk on TV. What I mean, if it is worked in India, if it is working in India, why these things cannot work in Kenya? Why there is delay in adopting homeopathy in the medical system? My request is to our Ministry of Health and our government that this system is very effective. It should be in the streamline, so that people can get benefit and feel healthier after homeopathic treatment. So it should be there as well, so that people can use.
You know, doctor, a question coming in from our viewer who is asking that, you know, that a lot of our patients are coming out of Kenya to India for treatment. And he was asking me if this homeopathic system is the one used in India, maybe to treat our people who are prone to India.
I tell you, there are so many conditions. People use a lot of money. They do harambes because the bills are too high. I think before they go for such big medical treatments, you know, a patient has the right for second opinion. A patient should always try and ask a homeopathic doctor as well. And try homeopathy before they go overseas for a treatment, any country. They can try homeopathy for few days. If it is working, well and good. Otherwise, they can go and get treated even in whichever country they want to go. But homeopathy is very effective, no doubt. Yeah.
Okay, doctor, I also think maybe you can touch and highlight some of general issues and general maybe problems that you treat.
Okay, like we have got very good medicines for diabetes. We have got very good medicines for hypertension. You know, it is to try. Before you try, you should not neglect something. You should not reject that this medicine is not good. Problems like high blood pressure, hypertension. If people are told that high blood pressure is incurable, with our medicine, because 95% cases of high blood pressure, they are mental related. Maybe somebody is angry, somebody is very irritable easily, somebody has got fear, somebody has got anxiety. Blood pressure is because of those mental problems. We treat their anger, blood pressure finishes. We treat their anxiety, they don't feel that blood pressure. So it's high blood pressure is curable, even low blood pressure. With homeopathic medicine, you don't have to take the medicine rest of your life. Try homeopathy. And other conditions, maybe I can say stroke, paralysis. We treat children with a disability. Disabilities like cerebral palsy, autism, Down syndrome. They are very good results for children with disability as well. And people, I mean, those who are not able to stand, I mean the children, their legs became stronger, their neck became stronger, mentally slow learning people. They go to schools and the marks are 20%, 30%, C, D.
Yeah.
So with after homeopathic treatment, they become normal, more brilliant, and they get better marks. And because their grasping power becomes better. So when whatever teacher teaches, these children they can get it easily. Learning becomes easy. The learning which was very slow, it improves the learning as well.
Wow.
So there are different medicines for learning, slow learners as well, and we do treat such cases. Yeah.
So, doctor, we are coming to the end of our show, but of course, before we end, I wanted you to use this camera, our camera to here, and you can talk to our viewers, and maybe you can tell them on why they should prefer homeopathic and less other system of treatment. You can feel
Okay, I can to the viewers. I will say, okay, maybe just something small about ladies' problems. We can treat so many conditions, gynecological conditions, which somebody, okay, maybe there are those ladies who have got stomach, abdominal cramp before period. And with homeopathic medicine, they will not need taking painkillers every now and then. They can be treated easily. ladies having heavy bleeding during menstruation. Heavy bleeding can be treated as well without going for surgery. It can avoid surgery. So there are ladies' problems can be treated, infertility and so many other conditions. And I believe the way this system it works, people should try. If you are told that your condition is incurable, don't lose hope. Try homeopathic treatment. I'm sure you will get improvement, and it will work. Yeah.
So I think, doctor, you will help us by giving direction to our clinic to our viewers.
Okay, our clinic is at SGSS Khalsa Center. There used to be a Khalsa school, which is very near ATG Deliverance Church. And the name of the clinic is Brain Dynamics Clinic. Brain Dynamics Clinic is not treating only brain, so don't be scared. We treat physical problems and mental problems. Physical problems also we treat very successfully. So I believe homeopathy works, and don't give up.
And it can work for our viewers too.
Oh, definitely, why not? For everyone. Yeah,
maybe you can give them your contacts.
Yeah, our phone numbers are 0722 722 105. 722 722 105. Yeah, 0722 722 105. So that is the phone number.
Maybe you can repeat it again, that we will get it.
Our phone numbers are 0722 722 105. Yeah.
Are you on social media? Maybe Facebook, Twitter?
Yeah, website or something?
Yeah, do you have maybe a website?
Yeah, website is there as well. That is www.braindynamicsclinic.com.
Thank you very much, doctor, for coming through. We appreciate you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. That's the end of our show. I've been your host, Sam, and it was just amazing on getting knowledge on homeopathy from Dr. Narinder. So catch me next Monday. We'll be in for yet another episode of Youth Care Unit. I've been your host, Sam. God bless you.